No man, this is too easy. Like, all right, this one is not sliding down easily, so I'm just gonna up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Ooh, no man, this is too easy. This is too easy. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today finally it's time. I have finally decided to take down my locks. These locks have been in from the 26th of March and today is the 5th of June, so that's like 2 months and some days since I had these locks in. So it's finally time to take them down. I have a lot of new growth. I did retwist these. I really don't want to take them out. I really do not want to take down these locks. I've become such a lazy natural. I just wanted to come on here and like show you guys how to take down like these locks because I know persons struggle with the whole takedown process. To be honest, I struggle too sometimes, but I tried a new method of installing. That video should be up before this video. You guys probably saw that video with the technique that I use where I like my hair is kind of down to my shoulders, so I basically folded my hair so that it can be shorter so that I don't have to like wrap going all the way. Well, I did wrap all the way down, but when I retwisted my hair, I only wrapped to a certain length using a different type of hair, but I didn't show that on camera either. But the whole purpose of this video is to show you how to take down your locks. So first of all, I'm gonna take one lock. I have some new growth on the hair. Let me change the feature. Alright, so I take one lock. I'm gonna like twist it in the opposite direction that it was twisted in. So usually I twist like going backwards, like twist away from my face. So I'm gonna take the hair and start twisting it in the opposite direction, starting like down at the base right here. So already you guys see that I have a gap here. So twist and pull. It's almost out. I'm gonna like unravel. Okay, so we have the hair that we used to wrap and the lock. So now I'm gonna go ahead and search for my natural hair. This looks like this right here is my natural hair. So I'm just gonna pull that down out of the loop that it was in. Look at that. The lock slide right out. Oh, I think I like this new method here. Okay, so now we just have the hair that we used to wrap onto my hair, and literally that took me less than a minute. Well, probably 1 minute. That took me a minute to take out the full lock. I didn't even have to cut it. So usually when I'm at the root, it's kind of hard to like take out this part, so I just kind of slide my hair up and down, up and down. I hold on to my real hair. I'm gonna slide the hair up and down until it frees up, boom, and it's coming off. Oh my that's the quickest I've ever taken out a lock, to be honest. So this is my hair right here. You can see the build up right there and the new growth right here. I don't really want to pull out my hair right now because I don't want it to like knock up. But you know, for the video I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, so now for my hair, it was in a braid sash twist, so I'm gonna unravel the twist. Careful not to tear your hair. Look at all that build up. Right, so I'm not gonna honestly, I am feeling so anxious taking out these locks because I don't want to take them down. Like, I really don't want to take them down. It was so like easy to just get up and go. Now I'm gonna have to worry about a new hairstyle. But my hair needs a break from these locks because I had them in for so long. This is definitely my favorite protective styling, like my favorite. So I'm having some shedding going on here, which is, you know, expected because my hair has been away for a while now. My hair still feels a little moisturized. And bear in mind too that I have washed my hair with the locks in. I washed my hair like 3 times with the locks in. So, you know, the only part that is like probably really dirty is that part where the buildup was. But this is my hair out of the lock. It looks kind of gross, but alright, so let's take down another one. See if it's gonna be so easy. See if it's gonna be that easy. When taking down your locks, guys, you need to be super patient because I know it can be frustrating sometimes. Like, you're putting it and it seems like nothing is happening. Alright, so with this one now, I think I can feel my hair. Alright, so it seems like my natural hair is like intertwined with the lock right here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's okay. I'm just gonna like snip the lock right here. I'm not gonna reuse these locks. These locks are busted. Well used. So I'm just gonna like cut real close to there, ensuring I'm not cutting my hair. Boom. This one's trying to don't give up, man. And my hair is out. The lock is out. Alright, so now I'm just gonna like unravel. This one is sliding off easily. Okay, good. Alright, so that's not bad. I'm not gonna like pull this out right now. I'm just gonna focus on taking out the locks. But they're coming out. We do one more on camera. Twist in opposite direction. No man, this is too easy. Like, all right, this one is not sliding down easily, so I'm just gonna up down, up down, up down, up down. Ooh, no man, this is too easy. This is too easy. It's the easiest ever I have taken out locks. Like, this is unreal. I'm getting excited. So no, I have to do another locking style on my hair. Alright, let me try one in the back. Because some people complain that, ooh, I can't see anything in the back. So, you know, let's try one in the back. So, let me twist it opposite direction. Alright, so I'm in between here. If you guys don't plan on like reusing these locks, you can always cut it short so that you know you won't have to be pulling the nuts out, so that it will be easier. I'm gonna show you guys that one too. Okay, so I think I'm feeling my hair. So I feel my natural hair. I'm just gonna pull it down out of that loop. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it was in a loop first. So I just pulled down like right here and the end came out, and now the lock is sliding right off. No, I love this method, man. This method. That method that I used to install is everything. Alright, so now I'm gonna hold on to my hair. Work it up and down to loosen it up. Oh my god. Alright, let's see how easy that was. And that was in the back. That was in the back. Alright, so I'm not expecting this takedown to like take me all day. Probably half an hour or an hour max. I don't know. I'm gonna type. What time is it? Alright, so it's currently 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna see how long it takes me to unravel these. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys like how to cut it. So I'm just unraveling right now. My hair is somewhere like up top. You want to make sure that you're seeing like the knot first. That's my hair right there. So that means I can cut anywhere down here. Boom. That's out. Unravel. And now the lock is right here. Take out that lock. My hair. I'm gonna keep unraveling. That was even faster. Like, that was even faster. So yeah, so I definitely think that the easiest way to take down your lock has a lot to do with how the lock was installed initially, because previously I've had incidents of me cutting my hair out because of how the lock was installed. But with this method, it is super duper easy for easy takedown. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like take down the rest, and I'll be back when I'm like a far way through. Alright, so I'm getting back on here. It's 9:34 and I've taken out half the locks already. To have this up. Going quickly. I don't know. So it's currently 10:09 and I have finished taking out the locks. That's how you guys take out your locks, and now you can just go ahead and take down your braids, do a clean wash, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned a new way how to take down your locks super duper easy. And don't forget to watch the video of me installing the locks so that you can take out your locks easily by yourself. Simple DIY. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.